Morning class. Today we will learn about the tense, that is the part 3. Okay students, I have already discussed about what is tense. So under the process of discussion I have already told you that the present, simple present, present progressive, present perfect and present perfect progressive or continuous. So let's have more discuss about on simple past, past progressive, past perfect, progressive or continuous. Clear? Are you ready class for discussing more about the tense pattern of past? Okay, so let's have more focused on simple past. When I say simple past, the structure is like this: subject plus verb to plus object. When I say the subject, suppose I, verb to ate. I ate the rice. The rice. Now see, this is the verb to. When I say I ate the rice. Now the same thing is happening under past progressive. The structure is subject plus was were plus main verb ing form plus object. When I say was, this is the singular subject. When I say were, this is the plural subject. Now see, I was eating the rice. Now see, main verb ing form eat. Ate, ate, eating, eaten. Okay, so I was eating rice. Clear class? Let's more discuss on past perfect. Now see, the structure is subject plus had plus main verb third form plus object. Now the same thing, I had, okay, eat. So I had main verb third form eaten. I had eaten the rice. Clear class? Okay. Now see the fourth pattern, that is the past perfect progressive or continuous. The structure is subject plus had plus been plus main verb ing form plus object. Now repeat the same thing. I had been eating the rice. Eating the rice, full stop. Clear class? So keep in one thing in your mind, you have to follow the pattern, the structural pattern of a particular sentence. Now see, when I say simple past, subject plus verb to plus object. Clear? Likewise, when I say past progressive, the structure is subject plus was slash were plus main verb ing form plus object. Clear class? The third thing, past perfect. When I say past perfect, subject plus had plus main verb third form plus object. The same thing, past perfect progressive or continuous, subject plus had plus been plus main verb ing form plus object. Clear? So this is the past structural approach for tense. Let's check yourself whether you are right or wrong. Are you clear class? Are you really ready? Yes or no? Say loudly. Okay. Now see the first one. I played the football. Identify which tense it is. I played the football. Okay, Biplava, you stand up and say, okay, simple past. I played. So tense is determined by verb. So played. When I say played, is present form is play. Play, played, played, playing. Clear, Biplava? Samya, you stand up and say, you are writing a letter. Which kind of sentence it is? What? Say loudly. Past progressive. Okay. We are writing. Subject plus were, was were plus verb ing plus object. Good. Sit down, Omya. Okay, Meenakshi, you stand up and say, we had danced well. What kind of sentence is it? What? Past perfect. Good. Sit down. Okay, Trupti, you stand up and say, they had been playing the cricket. What? Past perfect progressive. Okay. Good. Had plus been plus main verb ing form. Sit down. The last question for all of you. He was helping the poor. What kind of sentence it is? What? Past progressive. Good. So this is all about simple past, past progressive, past perfect and past perfect progressive. Or next day we will learn the future. Clear class? Thank you all.